Welcome to Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us at the MarketSite studio in Times Square, New York City, we have Rob Schimek, Group CEO of BoltTech, to discuss challenges that the insurance industry is facing and what the future of Insurtech looks like. Rob, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to TradeTalks.
Thanks, Jill. It's great to be here.
How has the insurance industry evolved, and what does the environment look like now? What are some of the challenges that the industry is facing?
So you know that this is one of the age-old industries. Insurance goes back to the beginning of time. And when you think about some of the characteristics of insurance, one, it's been pretty slow to adopt technology, and it's pretty inefficient. So this is really the place where the Insurtechs have had the opportunity to step in and help to shape the future of insurance, and BoltTech's a big piece of that. A big element of this change is the collaboration and the cooperation that's starting to happen, even between incumbent insurers and the Insurtechs. So I think people are coming to understand that you should work together to raise the bar for the industry overall, rather than try to do everything yourself. So we're seeing many more insurance companies adopt the idea of let's work together, let's raise the bar together, and let's improve the industry together. Let's learn about the BoltTech brand. Tell us more about that and the types of solution it provides. So first of all, BoltTech is one of the world's leading Insurtechs. Insurtech is, as the name says, it's the combination of insurance expertise and technology. And we operate today in 31 countries across North America, Europe, and Asia. And our calling card is really that we make it easier for everyone to buy and sell insurance. And we think of that as sort of the democratization of insurance. And if you wanted to put some sort of way to think about that in your mind, think of it this way. In the last 12 months, we've quoted almost $60 billion of premium on behalf of buyers and sellers who simply want to transact in a frictionless way. I want to put this maybe even a little further into context for you. One of the biggest products on our portfolio is homeowners insurance. And we quote about 30 homeowners insurance policies per minute, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. And so we're able to do this at scale. We do this as a technology-driven delivery point, and what we're really trying to do is make it easier for customers to do things, and really for our distribution partners to do things that they couldn't otherwise do in the traditional manner.
What's behind the technology that powers the ecosystem?
It's homegrown technology, so we're really proud of that. It's proprietary technology that focuses first on API integration. So we want to make it very easy to connect our technology to any company's technology, whether it's the insurance carrier who's providing the product or whether it's our distribution partner who's using the product. The second thing about the technology is it's got to be scalable. And if you think about what we're doing, as I said, $55 billion of premium being quoted on that machine in a 12-month period. This is just the beginning. It's the tip of the iceberg. But for us, scalability, if you're going to make a difference in the industry, you've got to be able to do it at scale. And then I think the last thing I'd say about the technology is you hear it every day, artificial intelligence. You won't be able to avoid it. The insurance industry is for sure being shaped by artificial intelligence. It is without a doubt, the most disruptive force facing insurance today.
Well, it makes sense when you think about risk modeling, right?
Absolutely.
So what differentiates the BoltTech platform from the competition?
So first of all, I think that the BoltTech platform has a degree of scalability that others have not seen. We are in, as I said, 31 countries across 3 continents. And as a result of that, I think we are able to do things and take lessons that we've learned in America, for example, and apply them in Europe or apply them in Asia in ways that don't require us to learn from the beginning everywhere that we go. The second thing is really just the size at which we're able to do it. So we're not just big in the, we drive something we refer to as an insurance exchange, where we match buyers and sellers, so like a stock exchange. Right. We're matching buyers and sellers of insurance. But we do that with a choice model that enables you to be able to say, I want to be able to choose between 4 different insurance carriers for the product that I want. But the other thing that we're really good at is we do embedded insurance. And embedded insurance is one of the core capabilities that you'll see almost any Insurtech today be able to talk about. What we do that's so unique is we can marry those 2 capabilities together as one single business model. Embedded insurance or a choice model regardless of whether you're talking about a low price product that you're trying to protect or your most valuable product that you're trying to protect, we have a solution for it.
What does the future look like for BoltTech?
Well, we just finished a very successful Series B fundraise. We're quite proud of that. $196 million raised in connection with our Series B fundraising. That'll enable us to continue to put the funding that we need into developing our proprietary technology, keep making sure that we can advance the solutions that our customers are looking for and that our distribution partners really need to make their businesses successful. And then the second thing is we have the opportunity to augment some really powerful organic growth that we've had with inorganic growth, but we can only do that if you have funds in your war chest.
And on a higher level, what does the future of Insurtech look like?
I think a big piece of the Insurtech industry is going to be about enabling partners like BoltTech does, rather than viewing everything as a competition where we're disrupting partners. Let's face it, the insurance industry might be a little bit stuck in some of the past and do things in an old-fashioned way or in a less efficient way, but it's not that they don't understand that they need to change. They recognize that they need to change. What they need is they need help making the change. And so I think this entire Insurtech space is going to continue to advance technology in a way that more established players can't do on their own because they have legacy technology. It's harder for them to maintain their existing and to grow new. But it also will create this whole environment of cooperation and collaboration that really is what will make the entire industry improve overall.
All right, Rob, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. And thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.